Hello, am I audible? Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing?
Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Glad to see you all here.
Good
So,
afternoon.
a very warm welcome to the introductory session of Google Developer Student Club for the tenure 2023 and 24. So, here we are, and I am thrilled to be here and welcome you all again as we embark on a new journey for this session. In a world driven by technology, where innovation and collaboration pave the way for new opportunities, we find ourselves at the intersection of endless possibilities. The Google Developer Student Club is not just a club in our community. It's actually a gateway of exploration, learning, and a lot more. Here, we don't just dream, we shape it through our code, our creativity, and our inventions. Our mission is simple, yet a bit challenging. We have to cultivate a community of learners and creators who are passionate about using technology and making the best out of it. So, here we are in our introductory session, and where you'll get to know about GDSC, about our new core team, and what all we are planning to do in this new tenure. Next slide, please. So, here is our agenda for our meeting today. We are going to get to know about GDSC. What is GDSC? The benefits of joining GDSC as a member. We will be the new core team today. We will be exploring about the past events which had happened in the past 10 years. We are going to get to know about the upcoming events in the timeline we have planned for the new session. And an exclusive event coming very soon in September, Google Cloud Study Jams. As well as we have a fun activity waiting for you all. And then at the last, we're going to tell you how to become a member of the community. And we'll be accepting any questions you may have for us. Now, when I say Google, how many of you think of SWAGs? Because that was the first thing that I had associated Google with when I came to know about GDSC in our campus. Well, stay tuned for the fun activity at the last to kickstart this semester by flaunting your Google goodies. Next slide, please. Okay. So, what is GDSC? How many of you are already aware of what GDSC is? I would want you to show your hands. All right. The number's growing. Okay, so then to sum up, many of you are aware what GDSC actually is. For those who are new to the community and those who are not aware, let me tell you. Google Developer Student Clubs are a community groups for colleges and university students who are interested in Google Developer technologies. Students from all undergraduate or graduate programs can become a part of it who have an interest in technologies and growing their networks. By joining GDSC as a member, you will have the opportunity to expand your knowledge in a peer to peer collaborative environment of learning and build solutions for local businesses and their community. Not just on a national level, but on international levels, the GDSCs have a great mark on the community. Now, as a member of the Google Developer Student Club, we have certain benefits. The benefits which we experience are connections, learnings, and of course, our exponential growth. As per connections, we get to meet new students across campus as well as other colleges and institutes, both in our country and globally too. We get to meet them and those who are interested in developing new technologies at our institute, and not just institute, but also in other communities. Next, we get to learn a lot. We learn about a range of technical topics and gain new skills through events, talks, workshops, etc. We get hands on experience of a lot of domains which we haven't yet explored. And the last one, but not the least, our growth. By applying new learnings, we get to build great solutions for local problems, advance your skills, career, and network by becoming a member of GDSC in our campus. Now you may be thinking that what does a club do for our academic growth? Well, GDSC might not be able to help you with attendance or your CGPA, but of course, we can get you a great network as well as make you a developer. And that's are the most two important things which matter a lot. Because attendance is just a number which is required to make you eligible to sit in the examinations. And as for the CGPA, Well, that's up to you how you manage the club as well as becoming a good scholar in your academics. But GDSC can promise that by being a member of it, you will get a lot of skills which will help you to become a better developer and help you grow your network a lot. Next up. Now, are you excited to meet the new core team? Well, we underwent a long process of taking endless interviews and a lot of resume checking and meeting new people to get to know their skills, their domains, and whether they are eligible to be a part of this new core team or not. And I am really thankful to each one of you who had signed up for becoming a member and who had showed great enthusiasm by appearing in the interviews and helped us a lot in selecting the new core team. So now it's time to introduce myself. My name is Juhi Pathak, and I am the new lead of Google Developer Student Club in our campus of GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. Currently, I am in third year, and my branch is Computer Science and Engineering core branch. My batch is of 2025. As per my experience of being a GDSC member, I was in the graphic designing and content writing team of the past tenure, and currently I serve as an intern in Coding Ninjas. My lead code ratings are 1885 and I appear in the top 4.85% globally. To mention some of my certain achievements, I secured third position in the AKTU Zonal Coding Contest. I was a part of the team that won the first prize in Cognizant's Digital Nurture Ideathon. And currently, I am serving as a vice president of the Shrenik Club, that is the club of our CSC department. Moving on to next, I would like my technical head to introduce himself.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Amit Maity. I am currently pursuing in BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from GL Bajaj Institute of Technology. So just introduce in this tenure 2023 to 2024, I am the technical head of GDSC GLBITM. So as a brief introduction about myself, I am a past GDSC GLBITM Android lead. So in the past, as past experience, I organized like few compose camp like that organized by GDSC, and on that compose camp, I was was the facilitator and I wins two times in the like top 10 facilitator. And if I'm talking about my past experience on that technical field, I was like freelancer in Android developer as past. And if I'm talking about my coding profile, like my lead code rating is about 2025, like which represent me globally top 2%. And I'm a specialist at code forces. My maximum rating is 1425. And as a previous experience, I participated in ICPC Kanpur like 2022. So our team reached up to like waiting list. We missed the regional by four ranks out of like 1,000+ teams. So that's it about my past experience. Next, okay, next introduce about our faculty advisor. Like in the GDSC 2023 to 2024 batch, like in the session, our faculty advisor is Professor Nilotpal Pathak. He is assistant professor of Department of CSC GLBITM. His domain is about like machine learning and IoT, and published research paper about that field like machine learning and IoT. Our teacher, like our faculty advisor, will help the whole tenure to us. And if I'm talking about like which domain we will focus, like we will focus on various domain like web dev, cyber security, AIML or Android, competitive coding. We also focus on some new tech like blockchain or etc. We will focus on that domain. Now move to Manav.
Hello everyone. This is Manav Gupta, a third year undergrad pursuing computer science with artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'm an ML enthusiast and a 3-time Kaggle expert, and also a large language model freak. So I am moreover like a data science person, winning in two-digit ranks in open Kaggle competitions, and along with that, creating data sets which are gone trending and selected by Kaggle for their trending pages. So from this year, I will gonna be lead of 2023-2024 for AIML. I have got a very awesome team of individuals which are gone through interviews and been selected as the core team members. Let me introduce them also. So first of all, we have Kartik Dhanai, a dedicated CSC student with genuine passion at artificial intelligence and machine learning. He's been having a solid foundation in Python and its libraries. He has done very great in few of the projects of conventional neural networks, and also he tried deep learning. So overall, he gonna help you with making great neural networks projects and also helping you in competitions of data science. The next person we have on top is Shashank Srivastava. He's a second year undergrad from AIML, and he did great projects in the term of security and applying AML in bank security systems. Along with that, he have a great experience in tabular data sets and core ML facilities. He also win the third position in NSUT competition held in Delhi. And the last but not the least, we have Nitin Pilkhwal. He is a third year undergrad from CSAI branch, and he is one of the best person you can have when you are talking about data. His EDA, we usually call it exploratory data analysis, is top the notch. He's great with Seaborn, Matplot, Plotly, every single library when you talk about data. He done ED on terrorism, movie recommendation through neural networks, and also data credit score classifier. This is my team. We hope that you will join this community, and we will help you out in most precious way. Now, moving to our next slide, watch what we planned for you. Amit, next slide, please. Okay, so why we are here? The great question. Why AIML is selected as a domain for GDSC. So we are here to provide you top of the notch Google programs which are being facilitated by Google a long time. So starting from ML Study Gems, these are the basic to advanced session which can make you from zero to hero when talking about machine learning and core data structures in ML. It will be taken by Shashank Srivastava. The next thing you will be keen to know is end-to-end projects, which gonna be done under a guidance of Nitin. He is great in when it comes to projects. And talking about competitions, like in data science, there is nothing more helpful than a competition. So Karthik will help you in hands-on learning with competitions on Kaggle. And last and the most initiated part of Google, which were recently launched a month ago, is generative adversarial networks. GAN workshop will be taken by me. These are the core skills that will enhance your resume and also improve your overall knowledge. Moving to the last things we can offer to you. Next slide, please. Okay, this is last slide which we have plans for this year. So what are we exactly doing as a AIML core team? We have environment. We will provide you a great environment for data science people, collaborative learning, and exponential growth, the exactly things you are looking from. We got faculties and research opportunities in machine learning department. Along with that, we will host hackathons and projects, resources and guidance, and at the end open source projects. So we also created a great QR which incorporate all our socials. So if you want to connect to our team and want to reach out to you for any help, you are good to go with it. This is me, Manav Gupta, lead of AIML team. Thank you.
Okay. Now move to the competitive programming core teams. Shubham, Vishwakarma. Over to Shubham.
Okay, okay. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm Shubham, CP lead at GDSC. Okay. So I'm doing my bachelor's in computer science in GL Bajaj. So I have solved over 600 plus question over multiple coding platforms. So that made me to fit for this position. Okay, I have a good idea of CP, so I choose that CP field. Okay, to explore it more, I came here in GDSC. So that's it, all about me. A short intro. So I want my team members to introduce themselves. Okay, Prashant, Yash, and Mac, please introduce yourselves.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
My name is Prashant. I am from IT third year, and I have also solved more than 700 problems on different coding platforms. And I am also doing CP, and I have a decent grasp on DSA. So I am currently learning different algorithms like advanced topic of DSA, and that's all about myself.
Hello everyone, myself Yash Singhal and I am currently in a third year from CSC department. First of all, I would like to thank the GDSC team for selecting me as a GDSC member. Now coming towards my field of expertise, I have a strong foundation of Google Clouds and I have hands-on experience on various labs that were provided by the Google Cloud. And now coming towards my project journey till now, that I have created a simple games using graphic designing from Kinta and Turtle modules and using the database as a backend. And I have created a website called Startup Advisory Service, which is able to connect the mentors and the student together so that mentor is able to solve the doubts of students. And I am thrilled to be a part of this community. Yeah, that's all from my side. Now I am hand over to the Mahak Sharma to introduce herself.
Hello all, my name is Mahak Sharma. I had recently completed my first year and I'm grateful to be a part of core team of competitive programming in GDSC. Also, I had recently won a hackathon organized by JP Morgan and Chase. I love coding and I'm grateful and I'm looking forward to enhance my skills through GDSC.
Uh, okay, everyone. Let's talk about little bit about competitive programming. Okay, so competitive programming is a bit different from other development and other stuffs. Okay, so it's straight like you have to learn a language and start. Okay, so what is competitive programming? At it name suggests competitive. You're not sitting alone here. Okay, so multiple of people are sitting in a competition. It happens on many platform. Okay, so let's talk about that. Okay, though competitive programming means you have a limited time. Okay, you have to do fast. Okay, you get a problem, you have to solve in a limited time with efficient code. Okay, so you have to write a proper code to execute, like maybe there is a time constraint, space constraint. Okay, so that is a bit crisp. So that is the bit knowledge about competitive programming. Okay, next slide, please, Amit. Okay, Prashant, explain, please.
So, competitive programming is in which we compete with other peoples to solve a problem faster so that we can see who is solving the problem faster. It also helps us in logic building as well as it also helps us in the interviews of different companies. So starting with language to select. So we can select a language that is faster enough so that if it takes less time as compared to other people's. So we can choose either C++, that is the fastest language, and we can choose Java. I, Most of the programmers choose from both of these. Coming to the topics to learn, there is a misconception among the people that we need a advanced level DSA topic. That is not true. We can only start CP with decent grasp of like arrays and math, and we can start with like some basic topics, if else while loop only. And coming to the platform and resources, we can at the starting we can start from CodeShop, which is very easy to start with, and after we continue, we can go to Code Forces and other platform like at Coder, etc. That's all about the competitive programming, I think. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So now move to the cyber security core team. Now over to Rishabh.
Thank you, Amit. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rishabh Gupta, and I am cybersecurity team lead of GDSC. I am currently in my third year pursuing BTech in computer science and artificial intelligence. I developed my interest in cybersecurity in my school and developed my skills in this field over the time. Other than cybersecurity, I have my skills in problem solving and backend development using Django and created several projects in it. I also have some open source contributions to several programs. I have created some projects like social media website or a complete backend for a restaurant website by creating RESTful APIs. And cybersecurity matters very much to me. It's not just about lines of code or algorithm. It's about protecting the very fabric of our digital society, ensuring that our personal data remains private, our online transactions are secure, and our user experience are uninterrupted. Is at the heart of what I believe in. Now, allow me to introduce to the brilliant minds that builds up our team. First is Garbhit Sharma. He is cybersecurity team member, currently in second year in computer science AI/ML. He has his expertise in Linux, C language, Python, and HTML CSS. Garbhit have created several projects like Smart Voice Assistant built on OpenAI framework or IoT-based smart plant caring system. He have been a runner-up in Technovation Hackathon in 2022 and qualifier in POC stage hackathon. Second up cybersecurity member is Govind Agarwal. He is currently in third year and second studying computer science in AI/ML. He has his expertise in Linux and Java, and he have created some great projects like handwritten digit recognition tool and Nexus clone. Overall, he is a cybersecurity enthusiastic. He loves to do penetration tests and often compete for bounties. And he could help you all to become more aware and informed about the chaotic world of cybersecurity. Next slide. Now let's discuss the need of cybersecurity team in a GDSC club. So in today's interconnected world, where technology touches almost every aspect of our lives, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data is paramount. Cybersecurity professionals are the guardians of digital realm, defending against threats and vulnerabilities that can have far-reaching consequences. And many students are unaware of the potential risks they face online. So, a dedicated cybersecurity team can educate GDSC members about the best practices, safe browsing, secure coding, and general cybersecurity hygiene, equipping them with essential skills for their future careers. Beyond GDSC, cybersecurity team can contribute to the broader student community by hosting workshops, webinars, and awareness campaigns about cybersecurity. This spread knowledge and encourages safer online practices. Next slide. Now, cybersecurity team's main role extend beyond immediate GDSC community. By sharing expertise, offering educational opportunities, and raising awareness about cybersecurity, the team positively impact the digital safety and knowledge of a wider group of students. We can organize awareness, workshop, and training sessions that cover a range of cybersecurity topics. And by teaching practical skills, the team helps students become more aware of potential risks and better equipped to protect themselves online. So, together with my exceptional team, we are not just defender of codes and network, we are enablers of innovation and progress. We are here to make a positive impact by championing cybersecurity awareness and empowering all of you to take control of your digital lives. And as a GDSC team, we will always be helping other teams in their events by volunteering actively and monitoring for any issues. And at the last, we believe that cybersecurity is a collective effort. So we welcome you all to join us in our mission. Whether you are a seasoned hacker or just starting to dip your toes in cybersecurity water, you can contact our team for any doubts, for any issues in this field. We can help you if you want to explore cybersecurity together. Together, we'll learn, grow, and make a positive impact on the cybersecurity landscape. Thank you.
Okay,
Now, let's welcome development team.
okay, that's great. So now move to the dev team. So over to Shubhi.
Hello everyone, very good afternoon. Myself Shubhi Singh, development team lead. I'm a BTech third year student from CSE AIML. Currently, I'm working as a full stack development intern at Tata 1MG. I've made various projects, both Android and web, which is Pride BNB, a travel tourism app for a Pride community. Auto steering is a ML model which detects the obstacles which comes on road. And then BCare is a all-in-one healthcare app, which is also an ML model. Then AI writing assistant and various other projects are there. Currently, I'm also working as a president in Shrine Club. Previously, I've been a technical member and coding avenue lead for the same. This time, the development team is divided into three categories: blockchain development, Android development, and web development. Now, I request other team members to please introduce yourself, starting with Himanshu.
And I'm Aman Singh, third year CSC student. I primarily work with blockchain technology. Previously, I developed NFT generators from templates in which you we provide the pre-made templates and it generates NFT by making the combinations of them. Further, I made command line interaction tools with the help of ChatGPT, which you can use to means a question and it will provide you the answers to that. In addition to that, I made a crypto app which can fetch the crypto prices via Open API, which is available through Binance. I chose blockchain because it is immutable and transparent. Thank you. Thank you.
Next slide, please. Aditya.
Okay, so very good afternoon, everyone. This is Aditya Raj, and I'm a pre-final year student uh, in branch CSC AIML. And talking about my past experience, then I've worked with AmbiMed as a core team member, developing particularly their production app, which has launched on uh, Google Play Store, right? And some of my past achievement, not past, just recent achievement is that I'm a winner of, my team actually is a winner of Covers 2023. And also that team is a second rank holder in Codo Fiesta Hackathon. And yeah, and talking about my projects that I've worked on is like a digital doctor. It is basically a Flutter-based application using which you can like predict your disease by entering your symptoms. And the you can say the cherry on the cake in this app is that not only that it predicts the disease, but also it suggests the nearby doctors who can like who are capable of treating that disease, right? So yeah, that's all about me, and I look forward with the collaborating with you all guys and see you in the upcoming tenure. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aman Kumar Singh. I am a third year student from CSAIML branch with experience in developing applications using Flutter. I have developed more than 5 applications using Flutter and have deployed 2 applications on Play Store, which are help us, which basically aims for the welfare of animals, and ChatHub, which is a social media app. Uh, Also, my team also won the Covers 2023 hackathon in the problem statement of New Age Women Safety app. I'm currently working as a SDE intern in a startup short squeeze. Uh, Moreover, I have also granted a patent in car safety software using machine learning and computer vision. I also have a few research papers under review on the topics of CNN, microgrid, sensor networks. So I'm open for innovations and research. You can contact me for all this or for all any domain, so I can contribute to you and can guide you further. Thank you.
So, a very good afternoon to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you to the selection team for giving me this opportunity to be a part of GDSC team. Coming to myself, this side Gautam. I'm a third year undergraduate pursuing BTech in AIML from GL Bajaj. I, in the developers team, will try to indulge in more and more events and activities that will be organized by our GDSC team. So I make some of the projects using .NET, PHP, and Django. I made a notepad that was based on the .NET system, and it's a Windows application. And made some of the and made and worked upon the home tuition bureau websites. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Tanya Sharma from the development team. I'm currently in my second year. I'm a passionate individual with keen interest in full stack web development, and I love tackling challenging projects that push me to expand my knowledge. Currently, I'm working on an employee portal website. Thank you.
Next slide.
Okay. Now, dev team, this introduce your tenure, how you can just continue your tenure. Over to Shubhi.
Okay, so moving on, like what are the plans for this tenure? Then we'll be conducting various conferences and summits, or we'll be sending our teams to the other colleges where the conferences or summits are going to happen. Hackathons and innovation challenges, diverse workshop and events, collaborating with other teams, other clubs, and collaboration and partnership with local tech companies. We'll be focusing more on open source contribution as what we have seen is that our college is very low in contribution in terms of open source contributions. We'll try to increase the ratio of open source contributions. Then we'll be having various technical competitions, tech talks, webinars. We'll be having mentorship programs by our seniors, by other speakers, those who are already in the field. Then skill development tracks, as our development team is already divided into three parts: Android, web, and blockchain. So we'll try to focus more and we'll develop the same. Then personal project showcases. We'll be organizing a personal project showcase program where the students can showcase their projects and many more. Thank you. That's all from development team.
Okay. Okay, that's great. So now move to the event management core team. So Ravish, over to you. Ravish, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there from the event management team. Ravish is our team leader, but myself, Nitish Gupta, and I will be introducing my team. Okay.
Okay, okay. Continue.
Okay, so myself, Nitish Gupta, a third year CSCI undergraduate from GL Bajaj, and I'm a team member of event management team. So let's start with our team leader, Ravish. So Ravish is a third year undergraduate from CSAI at GL Bajaj, and he's a dynamic, experienced individual. So he has worked with various clubs in the past year, and uh, where he has done a truly remarkable job in his field of event management. So his creativity and expertise will make GDSC events more better. Now let's move on to the second member, who and the second member is Rohit. So Rohit is also from CSAI third year, and he has also been a part of Road Track Club in our college, and he has done a various job in the field of event management in the Road Track Club, and also he is an active member of that club also. So his skills perfectly aligns with the requirement of what GDSC requires in event management. Now next up we have Sneha. So she is the youngest member from in our team, and she is from second year. So she is very much eager to contribute his skills into the event management of GDSC. Okay, and now the fourth member, which is me, myself. So myself, Nitish Gupta from CSAI third year, and I'm also a team member in GDSC. So if you talk about my experiences, then I have worked with several clubs of our college, and I've also worked in the field of content creation and event management in with various startups, and also I managed some college events also. And if you talk about my other working experience, then I have served as a social media manager in Provider app. So I believe that these my gained experience will surely help me to add up some value in event management team. So as an event management team, we believe in two things, that is collaboration and creation. So we have a good collaboration with all four members in our team, and also we can't wait to host amazing events at GDSC. So that's all from my side, and this is our slide, and this slide was designed by Sneha. So if she is there, then she can introduce more about this event management.
Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. I'm a member of event management team. I'm in my second year of CSAI. As the event management team, we aim to turn chaos into symphony. Whatever events in the future will be held at GDSC, we are eager to bring the best we can as a team. Uh, so yeah, that's
So that's all from event management side,
Okay.
and we can't wait to host amazing events. So yeah, thank you very
Okay.
much for your attention.
Okay. So next move to the graphic designing core team. Over to Priyansi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So, in this wonderful introductory session of GDSC GLBITM, I would like to welcome you all to a creative playground where pixel meets imagination, line dances with colors, and idea takes flight on the canvas of innovation. So, here we are the graphic designing team for 2022-23 tenure. I am Priyanshi Agrawal, team lead of graphic designing team and recently a third year student of AIDS branch. I have been working as a graphic designer from 2019 and joined Srini Club as a junior content designer in design and media team. And recently I'm also a director of DAM team under Srini Club. So being a designer, I feel it is not like design is not just about what you see or feel, but also what you experience and understand. Now, I would like to introduce you all with my team members, Ayush Mishra, Gaurav Raj, and Bhanu Prakash. So, over to Ayush Mishra.
Hello everyone, myself Ayush Mishra. I am a second year student from IT department. I am grateful to be a member of graphic designing team of GDSC. Beside that, I am also a part of two of the club of our college, that is Srini Club and Anita Club. Plus, I have over 4+ year of experience, and I have worked with many organizations to help them grow with the graphic designing. Thank you. Over to Gaurav.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Raj and I am from third year and my branch is CSAI. I started my journey in graphic designing from first year itself because graphic designing is the practice of visual communication using imagery to convey information and concepts to a viewer and clients. Till date, I have worked for 4 to 5 startups and helped their brands to stand out. And also, I run my own